All right. We have some Rottweiler puppies here and a big old empty water jug. Right? The puppies, I think even our older dogs like playing with this, but I know the puppies do, or at least I'm pretty sure we gave them smaller empty Coke bottles and they like playing with those. So now we're going to go with this big guy and see what they do, okay? So here we go. Empty water jug and 17-week-old Rottweilers, all right? Let's check it out.
4 months old.
4 months old. All right. Hey, guys.
Today is their 4 months old.
Hey, puppies, you want to play? Hey, check this out. Whoa, hey. They love those things. They love playing with these water bottles. Get it. Get it, girls. Oh, hey. Oh, Jam's gonna get in the mix. Good cheap entertainment. Chloe's attacking. Get it, girl. So you don't need to go to the pet store and buy super expensive toys, puppy toys. Just, hey, empty water bottle, water jug. That's all you need. These guys are nuts, man.
Hey, bring it here.
Bring it out here, guys. Come here, girls. Come on.
Bring it here, Joey. Joey, bring it here.
Good girl.
Bring it here.
They did not pee inside, so they didn't get punished today, did ya? You did good. You peed outside where you're supposed to. All right.
Joey is not really.
Chewy lost interest already?
Yeah.
Chloe won't stop. You retard. Good girl. Get in there, Chewy.
Look like she's tired.
Okay, I think they're wearing down a little bit. You're good, you guys.
Chewy wants to play with Kimchi.
Okay, well, I guess that's it for the bottle for now. Good job, Chloe. Chloe, hey girl. Good job. Good job. Say goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You crazy girl. Okay, young ladies. We'll do it again soon, okay? All right. Bye-bye.
Chloe wants to play with Jam and Kimchi.
God, you're making me dizzy. Dogs walking around in circles. This is Chewy now. Check it out. She's got the short. She's got the short snout. She's got the short little snout. Yep. She's a good girl. She's a good-looking girl. And then Chloe, right over there. Bye-bye, Chloe. Bye-bye, girl.